Windy City Wire has created a DAS resource center for our customers to easily submit your complete ROM BOM requests. From the homepage, click the WCW DAS logo to open the resource center, or alternatively navigate to our products from the top menu options. Then scroll down to DAS and select Resource Center. Then click on ROM BOM Form to the right of the screen. If you are already a Windy City Wire customer, choose Log Me In and complete the sign-in window. If not, you can choose to proceed as guest. Next, choose your building type and begin filling out all required fields marked with a red asterisk. If you have any files to attach, like building floor plans for example, click on Select File and choose any files you wish to attach up to 100 megabytes. When all required fields are filled out, click Submit and an email will be sent to a Windy City Wire representative. You should receive your ROM and budgetary pricing within 1 to 3 days.